A few days ago, I featured this model from BM Creations, the Land Rover Discovery 1 Camel Trophy. So here's a short video I'm going to make so I could make this wonderfully impressive car into my own liking. To start it off, I mentioned that I don't like tires with markings on it, so here is a simple trick. You could easily remove the rubber threaded tires and put it back. And somehow place it properly. Remove them slowly. Okay. Now it looks better. I already did the other side. Now it looks better. Do you think it looks better with no markings on it? And I also mentioned the Camel Trophy logo on the roof rack. You could somehow straighten it up with a little force. And I failed to mention in my earlier video of this model about the details up front. The bumpers can be easily removed, showing a very good impressive front details. The grills have a Land Rover logo on it, quite showing clearly on my camera. Headlights are plastic inserts, amber colored corner lamps. Same goes on the rear. Plastic taillights. Very impressive. Okay, so since this is a short one, hope you guys like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.